Hi, sometime you may face these types of broken page error on Elementor. So this page, you see everything is broken, the page layout, the designs, everything is broken. The text are not aligned correctly. So how to solve this problem? So you just need to go to edit with Elementor. Elementor page builder has come. On this Elementor page builder, you can see the layout is correctly displayed. So you just need to change some little bit information, and on this page, like I have put space here and then remove the space, and now you click on the update button. It will update this page with Elementor layouts. Now when you go back again, you can see the page has correctly aligned. Let me go back. You see this website, this web page now correctly aligned. The layout restored. So this is how you can fix the elementary issues. Thank you. If this video is helpful, please like and share this video. Thank you.